Peter, look at this. I just received a letter for a scholarship to college. Peter, are you even listening to me? Peter, are you even listening to me? Look, you need good grades to get into a good college. And finals are right around the corner. Why aren't you in your room studying right now?
Do you mind?
No. I want you to go to your room right now. Go, study.
No.
I don't want that sass from you. Go to your room and study right now, or I'll take away your Xbox.
Fine. Hey guys, what's up? God, my mom just won't leave me alone about getting good grades and going to college. I know. I was playing video games last night and she just comes in and tears my head off and I'm just like, holy crap.
Why aren't you in study club?
Hi, Peter. This one's A. Okay. You got this one wrong. It's B. This one's also A. You should really check your work.
I know, okay? I know.
This one's
You can't escape.
So, how about your homework?